After 2 weeks of a standoff with the police, self-proclaimed Godman Rampal has finally been arrested. Police stormed his ashram last night and took away Rampal in an ambulance. He has been kept at the Panchkula Civil Hospital, which has heavy security around it. A board of 3 directors will conduct his medical examination. Rampal's vital parameters are found to be normal. His pulse, ECG and blood pressure are all normal. Now, his supporters have gathered close to the vicinity, but the police is not allowing them to get anywhere closer to the hospital. Rampal will be produced before the High Court today.
हिसार जिले के बरवाड़ा के निकट सतलोक आश्रम के संचालक रामपाल को हमने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। हमारी योजना थी कि बिना किसी निर्दोष व्यक्ति की जान गंवाए ये काम सफल होना चाहिए, उसमें हमको पूर्ण सफलता मिली है। निश्चित रूप से इस अभियान में मीडिया, जनता, विशेष करके स्थानीय लोगों का और अन्य सामाजिक संगठनों का जो हमको सहयोग मिला, उसके लिए मैं उन सबका हृदय से आभारी हूं। सरकार हमेशा हर काम के लिए तैयार रहती है, कोई इसमें कठिनाई नहीं।
Now, at the ashram in Hisar, the CRPF along with the state police will conduct a search inside the premises to check for arms and ammunition. At least 2,000 to 3,000 people are still said to be inside the ashram. Now, the police arrested nearly 500 people last evening after they were trying to escape from the ashram. Now, the arrest of Rampal last night has come after an intense and violent standoff between his supporters and the police. Thousands of his supporters were actually held hostage inside the ashram. 6 people, including an infant, has lost their lives. Here's a ground report on what happened and the conditions under which his supporters were kept.
Hands in the air, fear in their eyes, anxious to get away. These hapless people have been Baba Rampal's human shield and his insurance during the tense standoff with the police in the last few days. They are the lucky ones. 6 people, including an 18-month baby, died in the standoff. 18-month-old Dharya, who had congenital jaundice, had been brought from Rewa in Madhya Pradesh, but he ended up as one of the many in Baba Rampal's human shield. Soon enough, the state cut off power, water and other supplies to the ashram. The ailing toddler's fate was sealed.
1.5 साल का एक बच्चा जो रेवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मध्य प्रदेश का रहने वाला है और इसका बताया गया है कि इसको जन्म के समय से ही पीलिया था। इसकी मृत्यु भी ये आश्रम से मृत हालत में बाहर लाया गया था।
Yet another woman who had managed to flee died later at the local hospital. Over 14,000 people like her from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan have fled the ashram since yesterday night. At the railway station, they relive their nightmarish experience.
गेट बंद करके ताला डाल दिया था गेट।
अच्छा, आप लोग निकले कैसे?
निकले सुबह बड़ी जबरदस्ती करके निकले।
4 बजे से लाइन में लगे हुए थे। झगड़ा किया हमने तो निकाल दिया।
With camera person Shashikant Jha, Shruti Ranjan Sen for NDTV.